Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, soon to be Watertown's transformational voice teacher, and a voice student asked me a question about breathing. So I wanted to do this little video because one thing I've noticed quite a bit as someone who coaches both speakers and singers is that a lot of people who haven't worked with their voice a lot don't really understand the breath connection. And what I mean by that is that the breath is actually the river that's carrying the sound of your voice. And this is true whether you're speaking or whether you're singing. And for a lot of people, that's a little bit of a problem because there's so much tension in the belly. And people get used to trying to take breaths like with tight shoulders and from up here. And what you really want is for your ribs to be expanded, your diaphragm dropped, and then your stomach is nice and relaxed. So when you're breathing, all your power is coming from here. And if you're someone who has a little problem getting that breath stuck, so you don't feel like the breath is the conveyor belt, that river that's carrying the sound of your voice, here's a few things you can do. So first of all, you can just use your hands. Now I'll just give a little demonstration here and say, my name is Laura, and here I am moving the air up into me so you can hear my voice coming out on the breath like that. Now, if just your hands don't work, because it can take a while to get this into muscle memory, you can also go like this and just lean over the back of a chair. Now, if you're tight, you're not going to be able to be tight because the back of this chair is pushing the breath up and out of you. So you can use a chair to do it, you can use your hands, and also, now this is a small yoga ball, you can get bigger ones. This happens to be from a yoga ball chair. So this is a little more comfortable than the back of a chair, and what you do, and hopefully you will have a little bit bigger one, you just get down and do your speaking and singing like this, and let that yoga ball move the breath out of you like that. So that's a little tip today for how to get breath connection going with either your hands, a chair, or a yoga ball. I hope it helps. Drop me a line, drop me a like, let me know if it works for you.